Hello guys, how are you? Travis.
Don't do that on my face again.
Sammy. And Munchpak. How the heck are you guys? Comment below. I know it's been a while.
And he's the egg one.
I know it's been a while since I last did a video.
And Nana and Papa are at Vegas today.
Yes, we are upstairs in the living room. Thought it would be a nice change.
Yep.
Kind of like it, actually.
And I think there's some new stuff in here we haven't tried.
I'm sure. Oh, God, that thing is huge. All right.
I know. I think those
First
are
of all,
pizza crackers.
hold on. Shout out to Nick for making this Munchpak possible.
You should eat this first.
No, that's big. We're going to save it for last.
Okay. I'm going to pick these.
What are they? Let me see.
Okay, I'm probably going to save these for last because, yeah.
Oh, God. Brain blasters. That sounds dangerous. I'm scared.
I think
Chewy sour candies in lemon and raspberry flavors. God help
these
me.
are, gummies.
One thing at a time. One thing at a time.
Okay. I'm going to save that for last, Daddy.
What, this?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna
what do we
do
got
these.
first?
Wait, I think I know I can do it by myself.
Monkey Party.
No, these are monkey gummies, and let's see what you try. I think they're different flavors.
Relax. Let me see. Let me see the label.
Be careful.
Oh, they're gummy bears. They're just so cute.
They're gummy monkeys, actually.
No, they're gummy bears. They look like. Oh, wait, this is the gummy monkey. I'm gonna do this one because I love cherries.
Okay, I will do a lemon.
It tastes very, very good. It tastes like raspberry.
Made in China.
Let's put you guys a little bit lower here.
Oh, interesting. I just took banana flavored.
Give me.
Lovely. Sammy,
Sorry, guys. I'm just sketching you a little bit down
was-
here.
fine the way it was.
Sorry,
Hold on.
guys. We have to fix you here.
By the way, I got a new tripod. Because my other one is missing. Don't know how, but it is. Okay, back.
It couldn't just disappear like poof like that.
Boy Bawang? Cornick? Cheese flavored. That's always a good thing. Fried corn snacks. Sammy, you're going way too fast. One thing at a time.
So we have these
Chili
again.
cheese flavor. Oh, yes.
So we have these again, but I think they taste like grape now because they're purple.
We had a different one like that.
Yeah,
In
and
a Munchpak video that will not be
and
released.
you remember because we did our last vlog.
Dag flabbit.
We're taking caring the cats. No Duke because we can't take
Can you
care.
relax?
Because we can't take care of him.
Okay. I need help from the cameraman. If she gets this, comment below if you think she's going to get this.
Yeah, and comment below if she's a tomato or a monkey.
Okay, Sam, relax.
Do you open these, please, Daddy?
I don't know. I just don't know. Hey, they look like peanuts.
They do look like peanuts and peanut peas. Oh, well, pick it up. Let's put it down the ground. It's more easier.
Ooh. Oh.
Okay, never mind. I got it.
Those are mine. I'm keeping those.
Yeah,
I'm not
peas.
sharing.
Well, she's eating
That's really
them.
good.
She's eating them.
Yeah, it's no surprise. All right, what do we got here? Let me see.
I show them.
Sour tutti frutti. Guys, I think Munchpak is trying to kill me.
Yeah, because he always thinks.
Look at this. This is amazing. Warning, don't bite off more you can chew.
Yeah, because you get
I'm so
sticky.
scared.
Why are you so scared of that and this?
Because it says sour.
It's not sour.
Okay. Looks like Laffy Taffy.
Yeah, it does look like a Laffy Taffy, but it doesn't look like the same. Because you know there's squirrels in shape.
Comment below if you want to adapt.
Hey, comment below if you want to adopt this one or this one. Or this one or this one, this one or this one. Oh.
Yes, you love gummies.
Bleh. Want to do these ones again. Bleh.
Not sure what to think of that. That's going to be a fail. Sorry. Alright, let's move on to something sweet.
So we're not going to keep that. I think these are yummy ones, but the only
Choco
one...
Sand from Japan. Crunchy shortbread cookies with, oh my freaking god, rum flavored cream. Oh my Lanta. Oh, this one's mine. Oh.
Both of those are yours. That one and that one.
I'm sure it doesn't have alcohol content in it, but still, that's freaking amazing. Oh, that looks cute.
And let's just come
Ooh.
good. When you
Very
start
unique
chewing
flavor.
it, it tastes like it's bad. No. Let's try one. This one. Mine.
Alright, cool.
That's a good one. Good, because we're almost done with this one, and I really want to try
Just
these.
relax, just relax.
Okay.
What's next?
You can choose this one.
7
So
days.
I have a chocolate bar, but I don't know which flavor is it.
7 days soft croissant vanilla
And it's in the 1, 2,
filling
3,
this time.
19.
I've had this brand before.
Oh.
I like croissants. What'd you get?
I like chocolate bar.
Well, not just any chocolate bar, doofus.
Yeah, so dumb.
Israel. Name hazelnut wafer. Alright.
If you really want to adopt this one or this one, comment down below. Now that,
Who wants to adopt me?
me. Because you're crazy. This is yummy, but I have to stop eating it. We have 2 things left, so that means we're done. Just choose this one. I can choose. Ooh. Milk, cookie, and cream with butter and sliced bread.
Eggo shortbread jam biscuit cookies. Ooh, this actually looks really good.
119. Okay, I need the cameraman to help me.
Oh yeah, because the cameraman can open everything.
Yeah, because she's smart and so strong. Come below if you're strong.
I love this shape.
Extremely tough, obviously.
Yeah,
He's
it
got
is
the respect
cool.
of his teammates. That's when you want to be a leader. You can say whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. If you don't have the respect of the guys in the locker room, it does not matter, and that's what he has more than anything. And that's why his voice carries a lot of weight in the locker room.
On the radio show this week, Murph, your coach talked about a recruiting visit here after you were with VCU. They have a coaching change. You're looking to move around.
Mute that.
Came on a cold day. Kind of ugly around here. He said, somehow, though, you seem to like
No.
me, is what your head coach said. And we found the guy that likes me.
not gonna
What do
be
you
a
remember
fail.
about the recruiting visit and all that? Was it as cold as he mentioned?
Okay.
What did you think about this guy when you first saw him?
Real
First-
Oreo
Comment below if you
cookies
want these.
summoned by
Come on,
Alpine Milk Chocolate.
You should try these. Yummy.
Okay.
For more? Yeah, for more. Self-preservation.
That looks amazing. Does it taste as amazing as it looks?
It was amazing to me, honestly. The environment was just great. The school was great. And they made me feel immediately like family, like I was back over where I just felt like I belonged here. And that was the biggest thing for me.
I know JG brought it up when we were showing videos.
Don't eat all of them,
freshman
Mama.
year, and I think the
Only
only
some of
change
it.
that we've seen maybe in looks is the hair.
Oh,
But also, how has your game just changed?
Now that's not fair.
Love Munchpak. Yep, that is definitely not a fail. Okay, so let's do the croissant.
So we're done with the. Yeah. No, I'm really gonna eat these now.
A lot of us think, Coach, that his number will be in the rafters someday. You saw that on the court as part of your Jerry Seinfeld-like.
That looks awesome. I love this camera.
I'm guessing you're not saying stuff like that. But hey, by the way, you're coming here and your name's going to be in the record books.
Guys, are you
Love
still
Sonic.
inside your brain?
When did you
Comment
know
down below.
That you had a special talent on your hands here.
Well, I wasn't gonna say it unless we won that game
Ooh.
last night. And I told Murph
You don't
this.
deserve a banner if you don't beat Purdue on TV.
Well, but you know, for all of us, and I think Murph wants this, you want to be remembered as a winner. You want to be remembered as a team, you know, a player that's taking the team to the NCAA.
He's dancing because he's the master of dance.
And I do think that, you know, I think we'll go this year. I think
Got
that
some
last year if we didn't have injuries,
leftovers in my
you're
beard.
looking at Murph going 3 in a row. You know, and so
Because he's
that
so
was most
cool and
important
awesome,
to me
like the
was to
queen,
find a way to get this
or
really,
princess.
really important win.
I'm still rocking the
But
beard.
yeah, I'm proud of him. I mean,
Oh,
you
look, your princess is taking a nap.
help develop him, watch him grow, to see him in front of all those fans, to hopefully one day have his.
Just waiting for Sammy to open that last one.
It's really special. It's very
Got
gratifying
it?
to coach.
Do we-
All right.
Recruited, brought here, and watched the ball.
Show him this.
That's why you get into college coaching is for moments like that.
All right, Murph, I'm going to read off your numbers right here. As of last night,
Show me it, Dada.
1,262 career
Okay, so-
rebounds, first in team history, second in Big Ten history.
Shows me a sour scale.
Career points, that's 6
Stop.
in team history. I know whenever you come in, you're probably not.
It's at 1, so I think I should be okay.
But after you read those numbers,
Yeah, so I'm
No
going to
comment
choose a
from the
strawberry
pink
and he's going to choose banana.
Hopefully it just.
I'm gonna dump some out for me.
Just knowing that I'm all about the team just want to win. I mean, that's the biggest thing. I mean, obviously the numbers they speak for themselves, but I just want to know.
Uh-oh, there's some yellow ones in the strawberry, but it's okay.
Is it true you never missed a practice in your 4 years here as well? That's
Ooh,
the
it's
urban
right
legend.
Oh god, this could
Does that
kill me.
sound accurate to you?
Let's go then, Murphy.
Yeah, I'm gonna go
Oh
back.
god, this could kill me.
Twice on Sunday.
Eee. Okay.
It's not sour.
Goodbye, YouTube.
I don't know about not missing a practice, but I
I
definitely
can't
remember
remember
getting
truthfully. Missing. It's got to be less than 3.
Yeah.
Truthfully.
Is it sour?
You know, and I was trying to think about it because that's the biggest thing. You know, from statistically what he's been able to do, but it's reliability. You know, it's durability. All those things are so important, and he's been there. And it's rarely like. You know, 2 days off, 3 days off. Like he's
A little sour. Not too bad.
Walk through today, but if I told him to practice, he'd practice hard.
maybe I practice today. Maybe that's a good test.
I've had worse.
I'm going.
Not bad though.
If we have to practice today, then so be
I
it.
think I prefer this.
Hopefully, let's let you get to practice if you have to. So let's quickly.
Bye-bye, YouTube.
Thank you very much for joining us here. But the run is still not over yet.
Guys,
Hopefully an NCAA tournament run.
thank you for watching.
These look like nerds.
Season as the Gophers head to the East
Oh my
Coast
God.
to finish things up against Maryland, the team they've already faced this year. We'll see if they can finish off the season on a winning note.
She saved the vlog.
Yeah, because she knows everything. He doesn't.
Non-stop music pizza. Lapsing non-stop pizza chips. Crunchy puffed chips with bold pizza flavor from Poland. And the reason I say this for last is because it's purple bag.
Sour, sour.
Relax.
Sour.
Relax.
What you're capable of doing. And some
Ooh, these
things
smell
go
amazing,
beyond
dude.
your boundaries
Hell yeah.
and try it. My name is Sandy.
You look like pizza
Well,
pop.
it's never too late to live your best life.
Be careful.
She's amazing.
Yo.
I am the DQ chicken strip basket, and I have gone totally flavor crazy with not one but 2 sauce and tossed baskets of 100%.
Bye-bye, guys, but I'm going to do it again.
Try spicy sweet glaze.
Must be
Red hot for a touch.
very sorry.
We'll see you guys
Honey barbecue.
Later. Bye-bye. See
in
you
the next
for
video.
see you in the next vlog.
And go see Captain Marvel this weekend.
Yeah, it's the best movie. And see the Lego one at the movie theater. It's so good.
Love you guys.
Peace out.